Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient color to shape in publisher document. So get it started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show add gradient color to shape. Now going to the insert mode option. Now for click. Then click for a shape. Now choose any shape. Now I choose from rectangle shape, then draw a rectangle shape. Now you can see add gradient color to shape. Now going to the shape fill option, then click for a gradient option. Now click for a more gradient. Now firstly select first color. Now for click, then click for a color option. Now choose a color and second color. Now for click, then click for a color option, then click for yellow color. Now for OK. Then again change color. Now going to the shape fill option. Now click for gradient color option. Now click for more gradient option. Now click for select for red color and select for yellow color. Now for OK. That's it. Then you show add gradient color to shape in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.